There's the cop. Mercy died.
What is good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel and another vlog. So two good things happening today. One, we are going to participate in another Toys for Tots event. That's why we got Mr. Thick ready. And then we are also getting to get a sneak peek at Pat's new NSX that he bought. If you guys don't follow Pat, he had an i8. Well, he still has the i8, but he added a supercar. He's expanded his garage to the supercar realm of vehicles. So he's added the NSX. I cannot wait to see it. I've seen pictures of it and it looks sweet. I can't wait to show you guys. And hopefully I get to drive it. Fingers crossed. So I'm just waiting for the kids to get ready and we're gonna roll out of here. Look how foggy it is today. That's a big toy. That thing's bigger than you are.
And I can hold it.
What's good, Pat? Hey, Tony.
Hey, how you doing?
How you doing, man?
Thick Garage family, what's up?
What's up, man? Let me say, wait, 6 feet. 6 feet.
No, I can't.
There she is. Can't miss this car.
No, no, not at all. I love the color.
Yep. Tony, I'm feeling this one more.
This is a sharp car.
Look at that interior. Now, could Thick Garage get any thicker? Check this out. Got Pat from Pat's Garage Online here with his NSX. And I got Atomic Z06 here with his other vet. The slower one, right?
The slower one.
That thing's a monster. Let's check this baby out on the inside. Pretty sleek handles. Much easier to get in than the i8, Pat.
Chuki got the sauce, bitch.
Let me go get him. I don't think he knows we're here. There he is. Come and take a look at it. We brought it up here to show you.
I like it.
And fast.
Did you drive it?
Not yet, but just
When it's
coming
not-
up here.
Yeah, when it's not wet, because this thing I got a little sideways getting on the on Route 1, and it fixes itself automatically. But yeah, when it's dry, yeah, open it up, have a seat.
You see Tony's other vet?
Yes, this is Tony's other vet. Yeah, yeah.
That's the slow one.
Can't drive a house. Hi, Soto.
Everyone got quiet.
Hey, what's going on?
What's up,
brother?
Patrick?
Are you that guy's here? Everybody, shut up.
We're all camera shy now.
You're on camera shy.
I don't know
Guys.
why you'll be here.
What?
Did I tell you I saw a
then Savage
coyote
is
at the
coming
horse
too.
farm?
You did what?
I saw a coyote at the horse farm.
Yeah, Savage
shoot
looked
it?
like they had the whole
No, I
crew.
All right, it's the next day. I didn't get to drive Pat's car yet. Yet is the magic word. We are in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania at a Cars and Coffee event that Street Speed 717 is hosting. It's a kind of Toys for Tots, support the local police event. We have Pat's cars back there. There's a thick whip. So we just got here, it's starting to fill up. Should have Savage Garage, should be showing up here shortly. There's Pat's car. And then another big YouTuber, Dream Cars Daily. He's out of Michigan. He drove all the way down here for this. Yes, and Mr. Thick is out. Starting to warm up. I'm guessing its own bags.
Are they racing? Get out the road! There's the cop. Mercy dog. Alright, let's go back in.
They are out. So I didn't get to drive the NSX yet, but it'll happen. I know you're watching this, Pat, so pick a day and time. Let's make it happen. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please smash it. I just spit, didn't I? So guys, please smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and ring that bell for notifications so you don't miss a video, especially when I get to drive the NSX finally. Pat doesn't live too far from me, so I'm guessing it probably happens sooner than later. We will see you in the next video, right?
No.
No?
Now we're quitting YouTube.